Hi, and welcome to Storytime. My name's Cloud. Today's going to be all about the importance of reading, words, and letters. Let's get started. A Perfectly Messed Up Story by Patrick McDonnell. Read with permission from Little Brown Books for Young Readers. This is Louie's story. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la, he sang. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just, hey, hold on. What's that? A jelly stain? How did that get here? This isn't right. Who would eat a jelly sandwich while reading my book? Plop. Jelly and peanut butter? Ugh, the chunky kind. Hey! Somebody's fingerprints are all over this. Oh no, what next? Orange juice? Ugh, my story is getting all messed up. We need to show some respect here. Books are important. They teach us stuff, and they inspire us. Now can I please get on with my story? Thank you. Okay, from the top. Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la. You've got to be kidding! This is awful. Quick, get a paper towel. Careful. Ugh, this is the worst thing ever. What am I going to do? Once upon a time, stop. Forget it. My story's ruined. It's all over. I'm just in a messy old book that will end up in some garage sale. A book no one will ever want, or read, or love. I give up. Go on without me. This is Louie's story. Who cares? Once upon a time, little Louie went skipping merrily along. Tra-la-la-la-la, he sang. Oh, life was so much simpler back then. For in his heart, Louie knew everything was just what? Just what? Fine. Wow. Everything is fine. I'm still here. You are still here. And it is a pretty good story. Messes and all. So come on, let's finish this. This is Louie's story. I love it. And nothing is going to stop me. The end. Thank you for the words I read. Thank you for the words I need. Thank you for the words so great. Thanks for the words that raise debate. Thanks for words like hip hooray. and those cool words I like to say. Thanks for words that reach and touch. Thank you very, very much. The Bookstore Cat by Cillin Busby. Illustrated by Charles Santoso. Read with permission from HarperCollins. The Bookstore Cat is an adorable cat. The Bookstore Cat is a bossy, very bossy, but cuddly cat. The Bookstore Cat is a darting cat. An excited cat, a friendly cat. The Bookstore Cat is a gorgeous cat, though of course he is also a humble cat, an intelligent cat, and a jealous cat. Sometimes he acts like a kittenish cat, but he is always a loyal cat. The Bookstore Cat is a mysterious cat, when he's not a naughty cat. He knows how to be an obedient cat, or a very, very patient cat. The Bookstore Cat is a quick cat, and a regal cat, and a sleepy, oh so sleepy cat. After a nap, he's a thirsty cat. Uh-oh, the Bookstore Cat is an underwater cat, and a vocal cat. The Bookstore Cat is a waiting cat. Pounce! He's a Xenops chasing cat. The Bookstore Cat is a yucky cat. Ew. By closing time, he's a zigzag cat. The Bookstore Cat is all of these, from A to Z. But most important of all, he is the Bookstore Cat. The end. For today's craft, we're going to be making a garden together while we practice our writing and get ready to learn our letters. You can pick up the craft kit with today's pre-writing workbook at any of our 3 library locations. Trace the patterns and use the blank lined paper to practice. Once you've finished your workbook, let's head outside with a grown-up. With the sponge brush in your craft kit and some water, you can paint mess-free and keep on practicing. We're going to end today with a poem called Books by Eloise Greenfield. I've got books on the bunk bed, books on the chair, books on the couch, and every old wear. But I want more books, just can't get enough. Want more books about all kinds of stuff, like Jackie's troubles, Raymond's joys, rabbits, kangaroos, girls and boys, mountains, valleys, winter, spring, campfires, vampires, every old thing. I want to lie down on my bunk bed, lean back in my chair, curl up on the couch and every old wear, and read more books. Thanks so much for watching. Write your name on the certificate in your craft kit and have your grown-up take a picture of it and post it on Facebook or Instagram. #Moreno Valley Public Library so that we can see it. Thanks again!